So digital real estate is a passion. Another one of my digital real estate properties is the Digital Real Estate Insiders Facebook group, a Facebook group made up of budding entrepreneurs who have a passion for digital real estate assets. They are all passionate about learning digital real estate and turning digital real estate into an income stream, and I support them in doing that. So digital real estate is, or at least can be, a passion, and many of my associates are passionate about digital real estate. And if you follow me, you'll learn exactly what that's all about.